Hey guys, I'm Aaron Barton, the Shirtless Chef. Check out all of the Shirtless Chef videos exclusively on the Life of You app and for a limited time available for free to stream on YouTube. Tonight we are going to make some baked acorn squash, which is a winter squash, with a homemade walnut butter. I got the mood to do something with squash. Number one, they're all over the place for Halloween and they're just attractive looking, but it's October 19th, Wednesday, and it was 90 degrees this week in North Texas, but we're gonna get a little bit of a cool front moving in, so I wanted to take advantage of it. We're gonna cook this in a very simple manner. One way involves slicing it thinly and putting it on a sheet of water or sheet filled with water covered with foil. We're going to take the lazy root and just pierce it deeply about 5 or 6 times in different places on the squash. We've already preheated the oven to 375. So once I get done piercing this, we're going to take our shallow tray. That's hot, by the way. And drop them in here for about an hour and a half. We're going to drop them in here for about 45 minutes. We're going to drop them in here for anywhere between 45 minutes to an hour and a half. For our walnut butter, we're just going to use equal parts butter and walnuts. In this case, we've got about half a cup. That will melt down. I like to use the I like to use the Walmart walnuts halves and pieces. This is an 8-ounce bag, and it's about $5. And then we're just going to let this stir in and cook on medium-low heat until the butter starts to turn brown, and we'll serve it immediately over the acorn squash. So we've been cooking for about 2.5 minutes, and the butter has begun to take on a slightly brownish hue, which is what we're looking for. We're going to turn the heat off. Now all we have to do is take one of our acorn squash that we've put in a bowl, and we're going to spoon in a little bit of the walnut butter with a generous amount of walnuts.
Give it a good mashing.
Half acorn squash with delicious and healthy walnut butter pureed in. Enjoy.